What are micro-workouts?
Micro-workouts are short bursts of exercise, typically lasting from 1 to 10 minutes. These mini sessions can be as simple as squats, stair climbs, stretching, or push-ups. The goal is to fit movement into your day whenever you have a spare moment, making it easier to stay active even when your schedule is packed.
Why micro-workouts are effective?
Research shows that short, frequent bouts of exercise can boost your heart health, energy, and mood. Even if you don't have time for the gym, micro-workouts help you break up long periods of sitting and prevent stiffness. Consistency is key. Small efforts add up over time, keeping you on track with your fitness goals.
Easy ways to get started.
Look for opportunities in your daily routine. Try doing 10 squats while waiting for your coffee, stretching during a call, or briskly walking around your home or office. Set a timer to remind yourself to move every hour. Choose exercises you enjoy, so it feels less like a chore and more like a quick energy boost.
Sample micro-workout ideas.
Choose exercises that target different muscle groups. Try 1 minute of jumping jacks, followed by desk push-ups, lunges, or seated leg raises. Mix it up with core exercises like planks. Aim for 3 to 5 quick sessions throughout your day. And remember, even on your busiest days, small movements matter.
Building a lasting micro-workout habit.
Success comes from making micro-workouts a regular part of your routine. Schedule reminders or pair movement with something you already do, like waiting for a meeting to start. Celebrate your consistency, not perfection. Over time, you'll build better fitness, more energy, and a healthier lifestyle, even with a packed calendar.